Okay, g'day, Rudy here. 12th of January, welcome to the Daily Ninja Show, where we go through the shares ETFs on the ASX and US markets. So we start with the tank MVR, full of our big mining companies. So the tank is up 0.8, another solid day for him. Our share market, the VAS was up 0.5. So they had the financials, they were up 0.5. They're hanging in there. So CBA just hanging in at that support there. Let's see how the week goes. How's Macquarie going? Yeah, Macquarie's he's setting up for a fall there. Suncorp not looking too healthy. Anyway, let's see what happens. The tech sector still trying to eke out a bit of a bottom there, and one for the trade. Woolworths. Get yourself some Woolworths. Look at that. Anyway, so over in America, the S&P 500. So breaking out to new time highs there. I think being led by the Russell 2000, the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq was pretty strong on a Friday night. Gold. Okay, he's just popping his head up there. So we historically made all-time highs. Let's just have a quicker look on the... Alright, that's fine. So nice strong hourly candles, come back, consolidate. And tonight in America, maybe confirm it. So Aussie dollar, the same, new highs. Our gold index. So this is what a lot of our big stocks look like, as you'd expect. So they sort of went up and said, oh, gold's pulling back. Not yet. So I guess if gold closes strong tonight, then our gold miners will do well. The miners ETF, so that was a pretty solid day. GDX. So Newmont on the ASX was actually up 5%. So there was no balking there for Newmont. GDXJ, so that was Friday night. So that'll depend on what happens tonight. In terms of some other ones, so Barton, he's a cheap developer. He's looking alright. SMI. DTR is getting a bit of another bid now. Then we've got this was introduced by Ben. It's a little... They're drilling in a nice area, 7 million ounces. So it's gold and copper, but market cap's only 17 million. So keep that on your radar. And the old Felix is getting a nice little rounded bottom there. Okay, copper. Okay, so copper price still looking good. I mean, so that's typically a bearish candle, but when broken is very bullish. So yeah, well, I don't think it's going to be a bearish one like that. So the wire ETF, so it's the same. It's yep, go for the ride. So you got First Quantum, Anto, nice strong candle there, Southern Copper. Okay, so our boy, so BHP, so he did pull back to this support here. So a good time to, I should give him, days like today is a good time to buy him in Oz Super Fund or whatever you can. Rio. So Rio's, they got slapped down because of that takeover offer, but that's just given, I think, people another chance to buy Rio. Sandfire, Capstone, just consolidating there in DVP. What a ripper. So CopJ over in America. So it's the big holding there. He'll probably, you can see these shooting stars getting broken. What about locally? So now producers, our smaller ones. So Hillgrove's setting up a shooting star at resistance. So I'd say that's likely going to break. AMI still setting up nicely. And 29M just consolidating nicely. Then developers, we've got CVV going for another run, and CST just breaking through resistance there. So still a bit of opportunities around. Uranium. Okay, so the spot price is still not broken through. So URNM having, it wouldn't be surprising to see a bit of a pullback in URNM. If you look at Kamiko, so that was a bit of a shooting star Friday night. Kaza, oh, he still looks strong. We'll see how he goes. And the Sput, okay, UANJ. So it's same. That's not a good candle for the week. So UEC is a big holding. So you can see there's a bit of, there's no that's flowing through. So Platin's the same. So I wouldn't. I'd expect a pullback in the uranium sector. It's funny how they just they have days where it's all on and days where it's all off, and there's absolutely no news driving it, and they all go together. So REMX over in America. So that's got the rare earths and the lithium boys in there. So Linus, it looks like it's setting up to, what's the daily? Yeah, setting up a nice, didn't want to, still got that little gap there, but that's setting up nicely. MP, and DeLuca, trying to find some support there, so all good. Okay, take your medicine. So lithium, so up and away. So Lip P's broken through. So Pilbara, up. IGO up. Liontown up. Hey, ELV. These guys are the cheapest market cap to production. There's a good buy down there, just so you know. Then we got another introduction from we got a Mr. Ben Dwyer. So this JLL, super cheap. He's got 3 billion tons resource. So it's still like in early days, but market cap of 60 mil. So that's not bad. In terms of our more developed stocks, so We got PMET looking good, and GLN. Okay, oil. What's oil doing? Okay, so we got in last week an indecision candle. So that means a close above. We probably have to wait for the week to finish, but a close above is bullish and a close below is bearish. So it started in the right direction. Natural gas. Well, that's that measured move. So should find some sort of bottom around there. So the king. So this is his candle here. So he's pretty flat. Beach is having a bit of bounce off support there. In terms of some gas producers, so BAS, this is actually the cheapest market cap to production, just that's a bit of a scary candle. And CTP is the next cheapest, and QPM after that. They're setting up nicely. Okay, the fuel ETF. So it's that last week thing candle looks very choppy. But if we look underneath, so Exxon, so that was a big candle. Chevron, COP, and Oxy. So it's either Woodside or fuel, really, on the ASX for, well, there's Beach and Santos, but pick, I have my favourites. Okay, talking about favourites. Okay, so silver, like gold, I guess, it's right on the, yeah, no, it's, let's just mark it. So that looks pretty bullish. So that's SILJ Friday night. Set M, that's the one in America. It's sort of your XMET, but it's got uranium in it as well. Zinc price consolidating. Lead, same. So ETP Mag, another big day. Okay, and XMET, another big day. South 32, it was buying down here. Hope you got them in your Oz Super. Alright, so we'll go through our ASX silver boys. So our producers, so Poly, he's no bid. BHM, no bid. These are still the safest ones to play though, because they're going to be making money. My Kitchen Rules got a nice bid today. So all those three are sort of the same sort of value. It's just that Manuka's he's pure silver, where the other ones are got more zinc in them. Okay, so to our developers, so this guy's by far the cheapest, but I know he's $2 and he's not 20 cents, so you're not interested, are you? But it's the cheapest. So Mr. Boab, he's the second cheapest, and closest to sort of getting to production. SVL, it keeps giving you chances to get out if you're in it. I don't think they're ever going to get their mind. IVR, so that's fine, sitting in the middle there. Mum holding the baby. So there are our developers. Then we've got our past producers. So Andean, that's right, setting up nicely. 5 and 8. So ASL's a bit more value for than BKB, but both looking good. Our large scale resource expansion team. They got Ardent. Then we got so Ardent's the cheapest. You can see the little scores over here if you're interested. Doesn't mean it's going to the cheaper one's going to go up more. It's just for reference. So USL looks great, and Sun Silver. So they're all just hanging in there. All right, then we've got our early stage explorers. So MMA, nice candle. So this is in ILT. That was his one. He's cheaper. ILT's cheaper. I should fix that. AVM and RCM. So that's alright. He's starting to wake up on the daily chart. Looks good. And then we got these two boys that don't have a resource, but they look good. He looks good. LDR and the West Coast Eagles. So that's the silver stocks. All right. So that's the daily wrap. If you appreciated this video, the Rooster and I would appreciate hitting the like button. All right, until tomorrow. See ya.